So today we've got a free day, so we're going to have a wander around and explore a hotel as well. So if you want to see what we're up to, carry on and watch this video and we'll show you around Livorno. I think it's Livorno. See you later. Nice little hotel, 4-star. Hotel Excelsior. Good food, comfortable bed, what else can you ask for? That's the way into town. That's the pool area, that's paddling pool. Swimming pool's further down, but there's people in it, so we'll protect the privacy. That's the back of the hotel, swimming pool area and that. Like I say, straight down to the sea there. Plenty shady sitting places. And steps that take you down to the Promenade bit at the on the coastline. Right, so this is the coastline in Croatia. Is it Livorno this? Is it Livorno? Or Livorno? Lovran. Yeah. Lovran. Where I get Livorno from. So we're just having a wander around to find out where things are. Yeah, like I say, you've just got these walkways, haven't you, all the way around. Little entrance points into sea. Let's go clear sea. Have a walk around that little harbour then. Nice eating daylight though instead of dark when we arrived last night. Gonna get warm today. I said harbour. What, the sea? Be warmer than North Sea. Give it a try. Fish and chips over there. Yeah, it has. Well, that bit down there is where all shops and that are, isn't it? Looks a bit. Well, we just come into it.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah. Go around the corner and car parking. That's a lovely colour, isn't it, that? Yeah.
I think that's Bougainvillea.
What, a Bougainvillea?
I think so, yeah. What did Frankie say then flowers were?
I can't remember now. Little grilled places everywhere, isn't there? Yeah. Oh, it's a small little place, isn't it? With everything you want. We did have an ice cream now, did we? I haven't had time, it's been that full on and coming back later at night. And yeah. Yeah, it is, it was out there. No, they don't smoke a lot over here. Not like having a glass of wine at 9:20 in the morning, is it? You have it, Mum.
Quite the size. Like,
Medieval church.
That time churches, and they.
That's his favourite little bar over there, isn't it? That beach bar there.
Nice, that one.
That's where we caught the boat trip the other day. So all in all, it's been a good week. A very busy week, but a good week.
Yeah.
And we've seen lots.
Yeah.
And done lots.
Yeah.
And only had one day in sea.
Had 2 days at sea.
Well, yeah, that were on boat trip, weren't it? Yeah.
Lovely though.
Yeah. One day in this part at sea anyway,
yeah,
Lovran, yeah.
yeah.
Where hotel is.
Yeah.
Rest of the time it we're getting late on at night when we come back. Catching the supper. So this is just a last walk around Lovran, isn't it? Before we go to airport at 11:30. 3.5 hour transfer to Marco Polo at Venice. You don't know. It's going to get busier anyway because it's Sunday as well, isn't it? Yeah, it's a lovely little place, I must admit. That backdrop and everything, isn't it?
In Croatia and Slovenia.
Yeah, yeah, it is. Countryside.
Yeah,
Just absolutely smothered in trees, isn't it? Like I say, this is the centre area, isn't it? Little harbour again. So this is the little bit of town centre. Lots of bars and cafes and that. Lots of little shady areas, because it certainly gets hot. Beautiful little place though, I must admit. Some nights you have a bit of entertainment in that bit of square there, where tourist information is. This is like the centre of the village. Can't really call it a town. So plenty of cafe bars and that. And about 5 minutes walk up road there is to our hotel. So what we're going to do is just have a final walk along the little promenade front and work us back to the hotel and then get in the minibus to take us to the airport. I think it's going to get very busy today. Don't know what traffic's going to be on road going to airport, but we'll soon find out. This is just down to the little harbour, and then you can go down to the front, so you can walk around the coastline. I think in total, he's got a little walkway that's about 12.5 miles long, if I remember what Reb said. So it goes all the way up the coast through different villages and that. So here we are back at the little harbour. Like I say, it's not a big place. Like I say, this concrete path goes all the way right over there. Sea's a little bit rougher today than what it has been all the time we've been here, isn't it? It's still a bit rough, that sea. Yeah, there was like a coastal wind yesterday, and where we were yesterday it was lovely and sunny, but here it got a bit breezy and sea got a bit rough. Still nice weather though, they say. So that little bar there was our haunt for the night for a couple of drinks. Listen to the sea lapping against the rocks. Lovely. Shame we can't sit there tonight. Goodbye, little beach bar. It's opened up, it's opened up. Yeah. Good prices as well, aren't they? Drinks in there. Well, like I say, it's a rocky coastline, but there's plenty of access to go into sea from areas, isn't there? You don't get a sandy beach, do you?
No.
You either get rocks or pebbles.
Yeah.
But that's what the coastline is. They say this pathway went 12.5 miles, weren't it? Yeah, yeah, I remember right. So you can walk all the way into far distance. It's all for your health and wellness.
Yeah,
What they say.
That's what they promote this
Yeah,
area.
yeah, they do.
I have to say, I feel like I don't want to tempt it.
Better. More healthier.
Yeah.
Stuffed with food, but... Cormorants are on the rocks. Yeah, so it was promoted as a health area, weren't it?
Yeah.
So you had all noble and royalists, royals and all that lot coming, didn't you, in the past? Yeah. Arthritis, lung diseases and purification of water, because all springs from mountains bubble up into the sea. So there you are, that's quick. A quick one on Lovran. Lovran. Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet it were no main feat making this pathway all the way along, or I think it were 18 something. We got that much information, I can't remember half of it. So we found out that building there, the big one, is a hospital, and everybody comes now for hip and knee replacements. So it seems to be the fashion nowadays to come here and have your hips and knees replaced. So maybe if you can get an appointment there and have your hip replaced, you've got some place you can relax afterwards. Must admit, food and everything's been good at hotel. Beds were really comfy. It's been very warm. It's good you've got air conditioning. So we'll have a little walk further up. Not been past this point where hotel is, so a little walk further up, and then I'll go meet up with Karen, and we'll go and get our suitcases and off to the minibus. That's our hotel up there. Fortunately, we didn't get a sea-facing room. Don't think it was within our budget of the package holiday. But there's a private stairway comes down there, and this is like the beach area for that hotel. You can see the sea's a little bit rough today. So I'm just going to have a walk up to that area up there, and then I'll come back. Not been up there before. It's rather difficult to take videos, trying to protect the privacy of others as well on a busy place. But I'm trying my best, just to give you an idea what the place is like. It's certainly getting warm now. So that's another little outcrop harbour kind of area where you can get into sea. There's some good graffiti though, must admit. Nice little shady garden area there. But a few will be seeking shade in there not later on today. So as you can see, we've walked from there, well, we've walked back down that way, harbour, back up. That's our hotel there. And round to here. One thing about it is plenty of trees to give you shade as well. Well, so we've been here a week and it's the first time I've walked up this way. Like I say, it just zigzags its way around. Don't walk too far, I've got to get back. Right, I work my way back. Be out at room in a bit anyway, and key cards over. So we're off to airport at 11:30. So we'll see you whenever. So that's the end of the holiday now. But it's a lovely little place. We've really enjoyed it. Week's gone so quick. But as you can see, it's a beautiful coastline. So don't forget to watch the other videos in this series. Like I said, there'll be a playlist coming up with all the videos on when I've edited them when I get home. So unfortunately, we've got about an hour. We've got to do the transfer to Italy actually. So we're leaving Croatia, going through Slovenia, Italy, and then our flight is from Marco Polo at Venice. We don't see Venice, we just go straight to airport. But it's been a wonderful week, and I hope you do watch the rest of this series of videos from Croatia, because we've had a really good time and there's some good videos coming out as well. Bye for now. Bye.